Okay, I'm going to give you a small tip on how to prevent your pipes in your home from freezing. You may have noticed that a lot of people's pipes freeze when they're away for a while. They may go on vacation, a winter vacation. Right now we got freezing cold in the United States all over, even in the South, and they come back and their pipes are frozen. Why is that? Well, it's because the water is not running, or they don't periodically turn on the water, so the water is stagnant. Now, here I have a water heater right here. Now you can, I'm right down in the basement right now. You can have a space heater to help heat up the pipes in here. So right now I have a small flame going on my gas heater right here, and that helps. Even a little bit, it helps. But the tip to prevent your pipes from freezing is overnight while you're sleeping, or even all day, it doesn't matter. What you can do is keep your water on a little drip. Not even that much, because you don't want to waste water. Even something like this, okay? See how light that's dripping? That would cost you maybe 10 cents a day of water to save your pipes from freezing or potentially bursting, which you definitely don't want to happen. So why does that work? Well, the reason that works is it will keep the water constantly flowing, all right? And you do not have to keep it on hot. You can just keep it on cold, the water dripping on cold. It'll keep the water flowing, and that will prevent freezing, even if it's just a little bit. It'll prevent pressure of going in certain areas, the water's being stagnant in certain areas, and it'll prevent water spots where water will be stagnant in one area, and it'll basically be sitting and be stagnant, and that will cause freezing. And of course it could burst your pipes, but you can research it yourself. Trust me, it works. Do it. You can do it all day, even while you're at home. You can do it overnight. Just keep it dripping. But especially when you go on vacation, or if you're away from a while, make sure you just keep it on cold, a little small drip, and that will save your pipes. If you know that it's going to be freezing, look at the weather forecast, look at what it's going to be, and if it's going to be freezing, you just keep it dripping. All right, thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe.